Welcome. Today we're going to make some tilapia fish. And this is what we're going to use. Roasted garlic and pepper, lemon and pepper, and this here. This is really nice seasoning for the fish. And some breadcrumbs. So I'll put some breadcrumbs down on a plate. And we're gonna put the seasoning, the fish seasoning. I don't have any measurements because I don't know how much fish you're gonna make. So this is about a tablespoon of the fish and about maybe a half a teaspoon of lemon and pepper, or you can do a whole teaspoon. That's right. And roasted garlic also. I just eyeball everything. So take a look at the spices again. I'm going to add Italian breadcrumbs, a tablespoon, to be more spicy. It has all nice spices blend, you see, the herbs, for more flavor for the fish. The panko is good because it keeps the fish nice and crispy. It gives it a nice crunch. So there we go. So we're going to bless it with 4 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and let it warm up. I'm gonna squeeze some fresh lemons. I'm gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of the fish so they can combine with the mixture here. So I'm gonna take my fish, and we continue. For about 2 minutes on each side until they're nice and golden. So after about 2 minutes, or you see the edges are getting brown, time to flip. Now your fish is ready. We're gonna shut it off. And if you like lemon, of course lemon, very good for you. Put how much you like. And we're ready to serve. So enjoy, always eat it in good health. Don't forget to subscribe, and God bless. Just to show you how tender it is. So juicy. Enjoy.